your own backyard oasis. Do-it-yourself screen pergola room addition using concrete block and stucco. Hi everyone, I'm Margarett Klein, your favorite Space Coast realtor, and today we're talking about one of my favorite home upgrades here in Florida, creating your own screened backyard paradise. Because let's be honest, living on the Space Coast means beautiful weather, gorgeous sunset, backyard barbecues, morning coffee outside, and approximately 47 million mosquitoes wishing to carry you away by 7:15 p.m. That's why screened outdoor living spaces are such a huge hit here in Florida. Buyers love them, homeowners use them constantly, and they add functional living space without the massive cost of a full room addition. Today I'm going to walk you through a fun do-it-yourself project on how to build a beautiful screened-in outdoor room using a pergola structure, concrete block, lower walls, stucco finish, screened enclosure panels. The finished look gives you coastal Florida vibes, extra living space, protection from bugs, added curb appeal, a more custom high-end appearance. And if halfway through this project you decide, you know what, maybe I should just buy a home that already has a gorgeous lanai, well, your favorite Space Coast realtor can help with that too. So why add a screened pergola room? The project is popular because it gives you outdoor living space, airflow, shade, privacy, bug protection, added value, a luxury appearance without luxury pricing. It's perfect for watching rocket launches, relaxing with puppies, entertaining guests, morning coffee, evening wine, escaping your children for 12 minutes apiece. And here on Florida's Space Coast, screened outdoor areas are almost like having a second living room. So before you start, check permits. Very important. Before building, check your city and county permit requirements, verify HOA rules, call utility locate services, especially in Florida, where wind ratings matter. Hurricane codes matter. Anchoring matters. Nobody wants to build a beautiful pergola that visits the neighbor's pool during hurricane season. Supplies that you need for the pergola structure include pressure-treated posts, pergola beams, rafters, concrete mix, lag bolts, hurricane ties and brackets, exterior screws for lower walls, concrete blocks, mortar mix, rebar, stucco mix, trowels for screening, screen framing, aluminum screen track, screen spleen, fiberglass screen rolls, screen roller toot, additional materials, some exterior paint, ceiling fan, optional but amazing, pavers or concrete flooring, outdoor lighting. First, you plan your layout. First, decide how large do you want this space? Will it attach to the home? What shape works best? Do you want electrical added? Most homeowners build 10 by 12, 12 by 16, or 14 by 20. Helpful hint, tape out the dimensions in your backyard first, because in your brain, 14 feet sounds huge. Then you mark it out and suddenly, oh, this barely fits my grill and 2 chairs. First, you're going to set your pergola post. The pergola creates the structure and roof line. Dig your post holes, typically 24 to 36 inches deep. Below code requirements, set codes in concrete and use pressure-treated lumber or aluminum pergola kits. Florida humidity is not kind to cheap materials. Trust me, the bargain wood from the clearance pile is not your friend here. Step 3, build the pergola roof structure. Install the main beams, cross rafters, decorative top slats, and you can customize with modern look, coastal style, farmhouse appearance, optional upgrades, polycarbonate roof panels, metal roof covering, string lighting, outdoor fan. A fan inside a screened room in Florida is basically mandatory. Otherwise, your relaxing oasis turns into a hot yoga with mosquitoes watching. Step 4, build the lower concrete wall. This is what gives the project that custom expensive experience. Build low walls, usually 2 to 3 feet tall, around the perimeter. Benefits, added strength, more privacy, easier screening installation, more finished upscale appearance. Important, use rebar and proper mortar techniques. YouTube confidence and actual masonry skills are sometimes very different things. Step 5, apply stucco finish. Once the blocks cure, apply your scratch coat, apply brown coat, finished with a texture coat, then paint with exterior paint. Popular Florida colors: soft beige, coastal gray, light sand, pale blue, white. Suddenly your backyard starts looking less do-it-yourself weekend project and more Florida vacation. So, step 6, install the screening. Now comes the best part. Goodbye bugs. Install screen framing. Use your aluminum framing systems, pressure-treated framing, screen channels, and attach the screen. Lay screen flat and tight and use a spine roller tool. Screen spleen. Pull tight but not too tight, because one tiny mistake can turn professional-looking screen room into a giant wrinkled trampoline wall. Step 7, add finishing touches. This is where the magic happens. Some ideas are an outdoor sectional, string lights, potted palms, outdoor TV, mini fridge, grill area, outdoor rug, a doxy lounging station. And suddenly, you'll spend more time outside than inside. So how much does a do-it-yourself screen pergola cost? Costs vary depending on size and materials. But approximate do-it-yourself budget: the pergola structure, $1,500 to $5,000. Concrete block and stucco, $800 to $3,000. Screening materials, $500 to $2,000. Electrical and fan upgrades are optional. But do-it-yourself can save thousands over hiring contractors. And does this add value to your home? Absolutely. Florida buyers love screened lanais, outdoor entertaining areas, covered patios, backyard living spaces. A beautiful screened pergola room can increase buyer appeal, help homes stand out online, improve entertaining functionality, add perceived square footage, and trust me, beautiful outdoor spaces photograph amazingly for listings. Final thoughts from your Space Coast realtor. One of the best parts about living here on the Florida Space Coast is enjoying outdoor living almost year-round. Creating your own screen pergola room can completely transform your backyard and give you a relaxing oasis right at home. And if you decide during this project, you know what, maybe you want a house with a giant screened lanai already built, I would love to help you find it. Whether you're searching for a waterfront retreat, a pool home, outdoor entertaining paradise, dream family homes, retirement oasis, I'm here to help every step of the way. So contact your favorite Space Coast realtor, Margarett Klein. Call or text me anytime at 321-480-7662. Start your home search at Margarett Sells Dream Homes, or watch some Space Coast home tours and real estate videos at Dream Home Space Coast, Florida on my YouTube channel. Until next time, stay handy, stay motivated, and remember, if your pergola accidentally leans sideways, just call it modern architecture. Margarett Klein signing off. Have a great day.